Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Uh, Today we are going to discuss concept of modulus. This is one of the best one. In this video class, what I want to tell you, if you want to learn a concept, what type of clarity you should have about that particular concept, you will get to know that, right? For every concept, you have to think in this direction. That is my ultimate aim now. To tell you that practically I'm showing you by taking one concept, and that is concept of modulus. Let us start. Right? Concept of modulus. Nana. Okay. Now you see here concept of modulus. So here very clearly, sir, let x be any real number. Okay. Then the modulus, you see here, modulus of x is denoted by like this. You draw two vertical lines, and in between that you write down mod x, defined as, okay, defined as like this now. Mod x is equal to, right, what is that? Minus x. When if x is less than equal to 0, x, if x is greater than equal to 0. Students, yeah, for clarity point of view, I want to divide this definition in two parts. You see this now, first one. First definition I'll call, what if x is less than equal to 0? I'll take several examples to get better idea. Suppose mod minus 1 is there. What to write? Minus of minus 1. Answer is 1. Mod minus root 2 is there. What I am supposed to write? Minus of minus root 2. That is root 2. Mod minus 1 by 2 is there. So minus of 1 by 2. We'll get what? 1 by 2. Another one. I want to take some different example. 0.4. Okay. 0.7 is there. For example, you take here 0.7 mod 0.7 minus of minus 0.7 will get what? 0.7. Like this. 1 minus root 3 is a mod. You know very well, root 3 value is 1.732. It is negative. So minus of 1 minus root 3 will get root 3 minus 1. So this is the first definition. Come to the next one now. Second definition, what it tells, mod x is equal to x Nana, when x is what? Greater than equal to 0. Yeah, better. You take like this. 2 mod 2 is equal to 2. Mod root 2 is equal to root 2. Mod 0.5 is equal to 0.5. Mod 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Nothing. We'll get what? Same as it is. Okay, same as it is, we will get Nana. Right, sir? Like this, we are going to get Nana. Suppose if I said here 2 minus root 3, yeah, of course, 2 minus root 3 only will get. Because root 3 value is 1.732, we are getting like this. Okay, sir? Yes. Now I want to tell you some more points related to this Nana. Okay? Yeah. We discussed the definition of modulus, and we divide that definition into two parts. First part, and this is what second part. I've given several examples. Now we'll move on to the next one. Nana. What is that? What are the properties? So last two definition, right? When you observe the last two definition, you understood clearly that mod x is always greater than or equal to 0. It is true for all x belongs to R. Am I right? Yes. It is true for all this. Another one we understood, sir. what mod x is nothing but you can write maximum of minus x and x. You might have thinking about this. What it is, what sir want to tell. Yeah, diagrammatically I'll show you, guys. You need not worry. This is x and y axis. I'll change the color. Yes, sir. Here, what I want to tell you, this is x axis, this is y axis. You know, this is origin. Negative x axis, x dash, y axis, negative y axis, it is y dash. Now you see, Nana, what is said here? Maximum of x minus x. This line is what? Y is equal to minus x. This line is what? Y is equal to x. Out of these two, if you take only positive values on x axis, so this one will occupy more values than the one which is there in the downward direction. Y is equal to minus x. So your answer is what? When you take positive, the answer is x, Nana. Okay, this is nothing but what? You will get x when x is greater than or equal to 0. Right. Another one, if you take these two comparatively, negative values, you will get this one. Bigger, na? Maximum. Maximum means this one. So what happened here? Minus x it is. This part is what for minus x. So minus x when x is less than or equal to 0. You got the definition or not? Yeah, simply I can say that another definition also I can call it as. And by giving this one, I indirectly I told to you that array we have mod x diagram is like this. We have mod x diagram is what, Nana? This is the mod x diagram. I indirectly, you see here, straight away I shown to you like this. This is the diagram for mod x. Right, sir? Yes, because this is the replica of this one. And this is, remember, sir, it is 45 degrees. And this is also 45. From here to here, 135 degrees. This is 90 degrees. In the middle, 90. Overall, only till here, Nana, it is 90. But if you can calculate, total 135 degrees. So this is y is equal to x. And this is what? Y is equal to minus x. Diagram also we come across. Right. And we are discussing here properties. This is the first one. This is second one. And the third one you see, Nana. Third one, what I would like to tell you here. Mod x is equal to mod minus x. Both are same now. Mod x, sir, you can say mod minus x. So, but you, if you, how best you are going to learn about this particular property like this, sir. These are the things you have to know. Suppose mod x minus y is there. If you want, if the demand is there, you can change y minus x. I want to tell you like this, and a mod y minus z is there. Yeah, if the demand is there, you can write y plus z minus x. Both are same now. Whatever you want, you can write here. What I mean to say that you can write like this. Suppose here, sir, minus x minus y is there. Yeah, you can write here x plus y. Need according to the rule, we can write like this. Okay, right. Now come to the next one. Mod xy is there. What to write? Mod x mod y. No change at all. You can write like this now. Right? So not only two, sir. Okay, not only two. Here also you can learn. Suppose xyz is there, what is going to be happen? Are you write like this mod x mod y mod z. Sir, if you want, if I want to take more x1, x2, x3, x4, you take it for mod x1, mod x2, mod x3, mod x4. You take like this, nothing will happen. Right, sir? Okay. Now come to the next one. Fifth one, I want to tell you one more point is there. Fifth property is mod x by y. Mod x by y is nothing but what, Anna? Mod x by mod y. Right? Mod x by mod y, you can write. Now, you see here some more properties you have to remember. What is going to be happen, what not, etc. I would like to tell you these all things. Nana. What are those things? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sixth one, you see, guys. Suppose if I write here mod x square, mod x whole square, or you can write x square. Chalega. This is true for all x belongs to R. What about seventh one? If I take x cube, what is going to happen? I can write like this. But if I write like this, then it will exist only for positive values. Only for positive value. If I write here, somebody want to express this doubt. Under root of x square, what happens? Sir? Mod x, sir. Nothing, mod x. Simply I can say that mod x you can. Right? Don't write x. Write mod x is good. Ninth one, I want to tell you some more points here. Suppose if I said here mod x is equal to x, when it is going to be happen means you know very well that strictly you can say that x is greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, you are learned. You can tell this as a one property. My mod x. It's a definition, but you can remember as a property. X is what? Less than or equal to 0, you can say. Less than or equal to 0. This is the 10th one, Nana. Yes, guys? 10th one. Now I'll move on to the next one. You see the 11th one, Nana. 11th property is what? You see this, Nana. Okay. Wonderful property. Triangle inequality, we can call it as. Mod of x plus y is less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. This is called triangle property. Triangle property. Okay, triangle property can. But learning this one with clarity, I have to give the priority. I'll give the priority for only those students who will learn with maximum clarity. Here two are there. What is going to be happen here? You see this. Mod of x plus y is equal to, one possibility is this. When it is possible? Sir, it is possible if and only if xy must be what? Greater than or equal to 0. Yeah, I'll show you. Take 2, 3, 2 plus 3, right? Mod 2 plus mod 3. Same. 5 is equal to 5 you are getting. Both are same. Both are negative. Minus 3, minus 5. Yeah, you take. Nothing will happen. Minus 3 plus minus 5. Yes, sir. You see here 3 and 5. This is also 8. This is also 8. It is exists. So this property, most important point you have understood. Wherever if you got like this, you can say that if and only if xy is greater than 0. Now another one is there, na? What is that? So mod x plus y definitely less than mod x plus mod y. When? When means xy must be less than 0. There is no other chance. Less than 0. Yes, sir. If and only if less than 0. I'll show you that. X is equal to minus 2, I'll take. Y is equal to 3. Product is what? Negative, no doubt. So minus 2 plus 3 means 1 you will get. But mod x plus mod minus 2, mod minus 2, mod minus 2, mod 3 means what? 2 plus 3. So that is nothing but what? 5. You see this? This is also one of the best one we cannot neglect. Right? We cannot neglect this one also. Okay, sir. Sir. Now come to the next one. 12th one, you see this. Sir, if I said this, people are going to call it as theorems. You, whatever it may be, learn with clarity, I said. Our aim is to learn with the clarity. Now you see this one. Suppose if mod x is equal to a, then x belongs to what? Sir, I want to explain this by giving some different example. Why? Because a may be 0, a may be negative, a may be positive. You should think in this direction, sir. All possibilities. I'll take one example. Here you see here by taking this. Mod x is equal to 0, I'll take. Mod x is what? Something minus 2, I'll take. A negative now. Mod x is some 2, I'll take. Positive now, like this. Mod x is equal to 0 means 0, sir. X is 0, there is no other way. Mod x is equal to minus 2. Possible? It cannot be, not possible. So that empty set. Yeah, this is, yes, go for squaring. You can write 2 square. You'll get what? Plus or minus 2. So that what? Set I'll write A comma A I'll write. Right, sir? Yes, sir. So here, best point, when you learn the best point, guys, I feel that if you exercise by taking some problems, you will get maximum clarity now. Right? You'll get maximum clarity. So that's the reason I want to tell you here some problem I want to do here, because to get clarity. What is that, Nana? Solve, suppose. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equation. Now you see here how best point I would like to discuss here. You see this now. Mod x is equal to 100 is given the first question. तो क्या करता है यार? करने वाला बहुत simple है भाई. You do one thing. What is that? Squaring. Mod x whole square is equal to 100 square. Right. Mod x square means x square is equal to 100 square. So x is equal to how much, sir? Plus or minus 100 you can write. Rather than writing like this, what I want to suggest you, because it is a positive quantity, simply directly you can write x belongs to minus 100 and 100. Easy? Yes, easy, sir. Suppose if I write here mod x is equal to 4, what is your answer means? X belongs to what, Nana? Minus 4 and 4. Directly you can write, chalega, rather than going for that. Suppose if I write like this, mod x is equal to minus 1 by 3, what? Not possible. Not possible. That means x belongs to empty set. Right, sir? X belongs to empty set. Now come to the next one, fourth example. I want to take different example. 2x minus 3 is equal to 4ir. What happens, sir? You can take like this, two values. 2x minus 3 is equal to 4 is 1, and 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 4 is other one. So x is equal to 7 by 2, and whereas x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So your answer is x belongs to 7 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Order is not important in sets now. That's why we can write like this. Okay, bhai? Yeah. Another example, fifth one. Suppose if you find little hurdle like this, need not worry, mod minus x is equal to mod x. So your need is this, change, and afterwards you can go for it. 5x minus 1 is equal to 3, and here 5x minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So 5x is equal to how much? 4. X is equal to 4 by 5. 5x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 by 5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is absolutely right. We cannot deny. Not only integer. Now you may have a doubt, sir. You are taking only integer. अरे नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं होगा. देख, 1 minus 3x is equal to something 3 by 2 I have taken. Right. This fifth example I have taken. Now this is what sixth example I am taking. You write here x, Nana. So 3x minus 1 you write, and you'll go for 3 by 2. Two cases. 3x minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2, and 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So here you 3 by 2 plus 1. So x is equal to how much, sir? 7 by 6. Sorry, 5 by 6. Here 3x is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 1. 3x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 6. So your answer is set minus 1 by 6 and 5 by 6. You can write now. Right. Not only this, I want to take one more example. Whereas here, suppose x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 mod. What happened here? 0 by, this is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Internal one is 0. You can simplify. 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 and 2. You can use like this also. Okay, sir? Okay. Now, one more example. Here, suppose x square minus x plus 1 is there. What you are going to get? See, that is x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to minus b, 1 plus or minus under root of b square. Right. If I take here minus, I think I'm maybe safe. I don't want to go for complex number. So that's the reason I changed like this, Nana. So 1 plus or minus under root of 5 by 2. Like this will get. Right. So let us move on to the next one. What is the next one? I think we discussed around 11 properties. Yeah, 12 properties we discussed. And some problems, examples also. And the 13th one, you see this, Nana. Suppose if mod x is, what I'm saying, if mod x is less than or greater than, two cases are there, na? One after other one, we'll do it, Nana. Right, one after other one, we'll do it. Yeah, dekho yaar. Greater than equal to a, then what is going to be happen? Nothing, sir. You see here, the rule I shown to you that clearly. What is going to happen? A equal to 0, a may be negative, a may be positive. The same story I'll take here. A greater than equal to 0 I'll take. Right, equal to नहीं लिया तो भी चलेगा भाई. Only greater than लेंगे because we'll come to know so many things. Okay, and mod x is greater than minus 2 here, and mod x is greater than some 2 because positive, negative, 0, 0, negative, positive. Yeah, mod x is greater than 0. Yes, absolutely right for all, but except 0. 0 greater than 0, no sense, sir. That's the reason we cannot say x is 0. For remaining all numbers, it is exists. This one is, it is exists for all real. कुछ भी डाल ले यार, आ जाएगा. R. This is also what? R. Now positive. What happened? Go for SBS. You'll come to know x square minus 2 square is greater than 0. So x minus 2 and x plus 2 you will get. तो भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा? Minus 2 and 2. है ना, ఇక్కడ ఇలా అవుతుంది చూడండి. So this is what? Yes, no, yes. Inequalities concept I used. Minus infinity to minus 2. Union 2 to infinity. The same story I want to write over here. Minus infinity to minus a. Union what, Nana? A to infinity. Right? Let me write clearly, Nana. This is minus infinity to minus a. Minus infinity to minus a. Union a to infinity when a is greater than 0. This is the rule, Nana. Yeah. For this rule also, I want to do some problems. Solve the following inequalities. What, Nana? See here. Solve the following. Following inequalities. ठीक है भाई? Right. यार अगर से मैं ऐसा दिया समझ, mod x is greater than 5. Yeah, I explain. But you remember here directly, is it possible to write or not? Think of that. क्या होता है? Squaring कर ले यार. Greater than 5 square after SBS, and you can write here x minus 5, x plus 5 greater than 0. I want to tell you something different, Nana. My interest is to introduce some new technique here. So x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5, union 5 to infinity. That is, I don't want this, Nana. By seeing this, you can write. You see this? You see this one greater than, suppose 3, if I said, you have to write like this. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 3, open. Only greater than is there. Union 3 to infinity. Direct like that. Right. I'll give one more example. Mod x is greater than 11 by 2. What to write? X belongs to minus infinity to, belongs to, sir, minus 11 by 2, union 11 by 2 to infinity. I'll turn the page. Fourth example. Suppose if I write here mod x is greater than equal to 100, 10 if I take, x belongs to same story, minus infinity to minus 10, but instead of open, you have to write close. But infinity side always open, Nana. Here it is 10 to infinity open, like this. Okay, guys. Another way also I want to tell you. Suppose if it is like this, Nana, x minus 2 is something greater than 3. ये क्या करेगा यार? तो दो तरीके की बात बनती है भाई. x minus 2 is less than minus 3 or x minus 2 is greater than 3. You can write this too. The meaning of this one is this only, Nana. Here what I wrote here, x is less than minus 10, x is greater than or equal to 10, because equal to has given I wrote or means union. Yeah, you can write like this also. And this, if you simplify, x is less than, yeah, you see this one. One way of solving is this, plus 2. What happened here? Less than minus 1. Or is there x is greater than 3 plus 2? Or is there, sir, 5? I want to give a lot of scopes to all types of students, Anna. This is what I'll call this as method 1, and I'll go for this method 2. What is that? I'll go for squaring. Okay, greater than 3 square. What happened here? 3 square minus 3 square greater than 0. You can write like this, x minus 2 minus 3, x minus 2 plus 3. Right, sir? Greater than 0. What happened here? X minus 5, x plus 1 greater than 0. On the number line, minus 1 and 5, greater than is there means start with yes, less than is there means start with no. Yes, no, yes. So answer is what? X belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, open interval, and here 5 to infinity. I got the same thing, sir. Same story. You see this? Minus infinity to minus 1, union 5 to infinity. You do like this or this, no matter. Okay. Doing is very, very important. Right, sir? Doing is very, very important. So some level, I want to maintain this one. You see this? 3 minus 4x mod 3 minus 4x. Okay. Greater than or equal to 2 if I give, what is going to happen? Sir, you know very well, we can write like this, mod greater than or equal to 2. Implies here 4x minus 3 less than or equal to minus 2 or 4x minus 3 greater than or equal to 2. Yeah, you can write like this. Just now I told to you that two methods. Here 4x less than or equal to 3 minus 2, 4x less than or equal to 1, x is less than or equal to 1 by 4. Or is there, sir, 4x is greater than or equal to 3 plus 2, or 4x is greater than or equal to 5, or x is greater than or equal to 5 by 4. So together, how to write? X belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 4. Equal to is there? Close. Union or means here 5 by 4 to how much? Infinity. Like this. Okay, sir. Like this, we can solve, Nana. Please catch this particular point, sir. Catch this particular point, sir. 6 examples I have given here. Now I would like to take 7th example. Right, sir? 7th example. Yeah. Suppose if I gave you like the x square minus x minus 6, just greater than 0. What is going to happen, sir? The internal one should not be 0. Na? That is more important. What you have learned? Mod x is greater than 0 means x is not equal to 0. So that is x square minus x minus 6 not equal to 0. So here x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 not equal to 0. X minus 3, x plus 2 not equal to 0. X is not equal to minus 2 and 3, sir. So your answer is what? X belongs to all real numbers except to these two, minus 2 and 3. We have to write now. This is 8th example I have given here. Now come to the next one. Simple one. Suppose if I said it to you that mod 2 minus 5x is there. Just if I write here greater than 0, what do you have to do? तो यार तू ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा ना, पहले ऐसा लिख लेगा. That means 5x minus 2 should not be 0. Anything you substitute, it's correct. This should not be 0. So x is not equal to 2 by 5. So your answer is what, Nana? X belongs to R minus 2 by 5 is your answer. Okay, guys? Right. So sir, we have gone for 13th property. Now one more is there. This is greater than we have seen now. Now we'll go for less than. What is that? Less than 14th property. What is that? See here. If mod x is less than a, then what is going to be happen? Greater than हो गया, equal to हो गया, देख भाई, आया equal to हो गया, right? यहाँ पे greater than हो गया, less than को देख ले भाई, less than. So it will be like this now. Less than means what happened here? X belongs to. So a may be 0, a may be less than 0, a may be greater than 0. Same story. Mod x less than 0, mod x less than minus 2, mod x less than 2. So this is possible? Not possible. Is it? Certainly not. Positive quantity cannot be less than negative quantity. So that means these are two empty sets. The only one thing is left over. So you can go for squaring. So x square minus 2 square less than 0. So x minus 2, x plus 2 less than 0. So what is going to be happen here? Minus 2 and 2. Number line, x-axis it is. Less than is there means start with no. No followed by yes. No. So answer is minus 2 to 2. So shall I write here like this? Minus a to a open interval. But a beautiful thing I want to tell you about this. Okay, let us do some problems. Solve the following inequalities. ठीक है भाई? Following inequalities बोला है. What is that? Now I want to take less than ना भाई. Less than relatedly I want to take, yes sir, I'm going to take like this. First one. Mod x is less than 10. What are you going to write? So straight away I can write like this, sir. Minus 10 to 10. Direct तो लिख दे भाई, ऐसा हो जाएगा. Right. Answer is what? Minus 10 to 10. Okay, not followed. Do one thing. Mod x square is less than 10 square. So x square minus 10 square is less than 0. X minus 10, x plus 10 less than 0. On number line, minus 10, 10, connect, no, yes. Right like this, minus 10 to 10. So this is best. This is really best now. Right. Suppose second one, if I say that mod x is less than or equal to some 12. So you write like this directly, less than or equal to minus 12 and 12. That's it. That's it by close interval minus 12 to 12. Aisa. The advantage you are going to come to know this one, Nana. If I increase this, then you will get the advantage. Mod x minus 3 less than or equal to, suppose if I take here 10. चल भाई अभी क्या लिखूं? X minus 3 should lie between minus 10 and 10. Add 3. 10 plus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 plus 3. बोल भाई minus 7 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 13. So your answer is x belongs to minus 7 to 13. Okay, fourth example. You take 1 minus 5x mod less than something 2. What to do here? You write like this, 5x minus 1 mod less than 2, or 5x minus 1 less than greater than minus 2 and less than 2, sir. Less than 2, sir. So minus 2 plus 1 less than 5x less than 2 plus 1. Yeah, I'm writing here minus 1 less than 5x less than 3. Minus 1 by 5 less than x less than 3 by 5. See here how best we are getting here, right? Am I right, sir? This is wonderful, sir. We cannot neglect. The 4 examples I've given. Suppose if I said here like this, mod of 2 minus 5x is less than or equal to 3 is there. 5th example. You write according to your convenience. Okay, less than or equal to 3. You write 5x minus 2 less than or equal to minus 3 and 3. Yes, sir. It will be like this. Add what the inequality for 2. You will get like this. 2 get cancelled. 3 plus 2 also you will get 5x, sir, less than or equal to 5. Divide with 5. 1 by 5 less than or equal to x. To 5 by 5. So your answer is minus 1 by 5 to 1, sir. This is close. Right. 5 examples I have given. Here 5 examples I have it. Now, what I want to do here in modulus, some logical questions are there. Right? We should not miss the logical question in modulus. Logical problems. What are the logical problems? EMS problems. What are the logical problems means? Should catch this all point now. First one, the beautiful one which I am going to give you. You should know the definition perfectly, thoroughly. X plus 3 is equal to mod x plus 3. Sorry. Let me write clearly. Mod of x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3. If I said solve, no answer for all. But don't think of that. Mod x is equal to x when? If x is greater than or equal to 0, right? Yes, sir. You write x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to minus 3. So x belongs to what? Minus 3 to infinity. Close. Right, sir? Yes. Of course, if I said like this, solve, see this, 2 minus x is equal to, right, 2 minus x. But you see this, Nana, x minus 2 it is. You can write x minus 2. Here, minus of x minus 2. Changing or not? Yes, when it is possible, sir. When it is possible means, here, x minus 2 should be less than 0. Less than or equal to 0. So, x is less than or equal to 2. So, x belongs to what? Minus infinity to 2. You should catch this particular point. Right, sir? We'll move on to the next page. Few problems I said. One is this. Third one is this one, Anna. Okay. Suppose mod x, mod 2x plus mod 3x, mod 4x, right? Plus so on. I'll go up to 2004 plus minus mod 2004 x is equal to, suppose if I said minus 2004, solve if I said, how you are going to do? Need not worry. Solution is like this. Mod x, 2 mod x plus 3 mod x minus 4 mod x, like this. 2004 mod x minus 2004. क्या होने का है? Mod x you take common. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, so on. Minus 2000 plus 2003 minus 2004. Probably you will get that one only. Minus 2004. You see here, for every two terms, what I'll get, Nana? 1 minus 1. For minus 1. I see I can read. So for every 2 terms, minus 1. How many times, sir? How many times? Exactly half of this. 1002 times. So mod x 1002 times minus. So minus 2004. Cut kar do yaar. Mod x is equal to 2. X is equal to how much? Plus or minus 2. Is it right? Yes, sir. Absolutely right. There is no second thought in that. There is no second thought. Please remember. Some problems are there now. Yeah, you can do it. You can do like this now. Some problems I have taken here. ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं यार, mod x fourth one 5 mod x right plus 6 equal to 0. Solve. They don't give like this. They would like to entertain you by giving x square and mod x. So you know very well that x square can be written as mod x square. 5 mod x plus 6 equal to 0. Now you can split x square minus 3 mod x minus 2 mod x plus 6 equal to 0. So mod x minus 3 is 1 and mod x minus 2 is equal to. So mod x is equal to 3, mod x is equal to 2. X is equal to plus or minus 3 and x is equal to plus or minus 2. This you are going to get now. Right. Intention is very clear, sir. कैसे solve करना था मैं थोड़े example बता रहा था. Yeah, fifth example I want to take like this. Suppose mod x minus y plus mod x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 is given. If I said solve, what you will do? Sum of the two positive numbers cannot be 0, sir. But individually each one equal to 0. Na? There will be one common point of x and y now. You solve these two. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 by 2. Answer is what, Nana? X comma y 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Guys, got it? That is also one of the best one. Okay. Now, what you are going to get over here? You see this, Nana. Suppose if I write here like this, what? Mod x plus x cube equal to 0. So you got it two options for you, Nana. What is that? Solution. X cube minus x cube plus mod x equal to 0. Two options, huh? X cube see this, x is less than or equal to 0 means x cube minus x equal to 0. So x if you take common, x square minus 1 equal to 0. Right. I think if I write here, you will get maximum clarity. See, x is less than or equal to 0, case 1. Then what happened? X cube minus x equal to 0. X if you take common, this becomes x square minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to plus or minus 1 you are getting. But answer is what? Neither 0, 0 is not correct. 0 less than or equal to 0 means yes, correct. Only less than is there means no. Accepted one is 0. Here x is equal to 1, not accepted because less than x is equal to minus 1. Answer is what, Nana? 0 and minus 1 in this case. Right. And the next case is case 2. X is greater than or equal to 0 if you take x cube plus x, right, is equal to 0. You take x common, x square plus 1. Only x is equal to 0. Only x is equal to 0 you will get. But x is less than or equal to, you cannot take 1. Only this is the answer. Okay, sir? So 0 and minus 1 is the answer, Nana. Please remember. Right, sir? Yes, sir. So in the next class, I'll continue in the next class, Nana. Okay, I'll stop here, guys. Have a nice day.